Have you ever walked into a place and thought, wow, this is so noisy? But wondered what noisy really means in English? Let's make it simple and clear. The word noisy is pronounced as a noise. It is an adjective, which means it describes a person, place, or thing. Noisy means making a lot of loud or unpleasant sound. It can also describe someone who talks too much or creates disturbance. Think about a busy street with honking cars, people shouting, and music playing loudly. That place is noisy. Or imagine a classroom where students are talking nonstop. That's noisy too. Now let's look at some synonyms, words that have a similar meaning. Loud, boisterous, rowdy, clamorous, and deafening. For example, the market was loud and noisy. And here are some antonyms, words with the opposite meaning. Quiet, silent, calm, peaceful. For example, the library is quiet, not noisy. Let's understand with real-life sentences. The children became very noisy during the game. I can't concentrate because the room is too noisy. We moved to a quieter area because our neighborhood was noisy. Sometimes, noisy is not just about sound. It can describe behavior too. For example, he is a noisy person who loves attention. So, whenever something is too loud, distracting, or full of sound, you can confidently use the word noisy. Keep practicing, use it in your daily conversations, and your vocabulary will grow naturally. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.